Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy an envelope in DocuSign. This is incredibly useful when you need to resend similar documents to different recipients or make slight modifications without starting from scratch. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your DocuSign dashboard where you can manage all your documents and envelopes. Now look at the top toolbar of your screen. You'll see several options available for navigation. Click on Agreements. This section is your central hub for managing all the documents you've sent, received, or are waiting on. It's where you'll find everything related to your DocuSign activity. Once you're in the Agreements section, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll notice a variety of options like Inbox, Sent, and Completed. These categories help you organize and locate your envelopes based on their current status. For this tutorial, let's click on Inbox. This is where you'll typically find envelopes that have been sent to you or are awaiting action. Now comes the important part. Navigate through your inbox to locate the specific envelope you want to copy. Once you've found it, look right beside the envelope name. You'll see 3 dotted lines, which is the menu icon for additional options. Click on those 3 dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Copy. This action creates a duplicate of your envelope, saving you the time and effort of creating a new one from scratch. After selecting Copy, a new window will open where you can make adjustments. Here, you have the option to rename the recipients or change their email addresses if you're sending this to different people. This flexibility is what makes copying envelopes so powerful for repetitive tasks. Additionally, you can rename the subject line and modify the message if you want to personalize it for this particular send. These customization options ensure that even though you're copying an envelope, you can still tailor it to fit your current needs perfectly. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click Next in the bottom right corner to proceed to the next stage. This will take you to the document preparation screen. Optionally, if you need to add or adjust fields, you can click and drag standard fields from the left sidebar onto your document. This step gives you the chance to modify signature fields, date fields, or any other elements before sending. Finally, when everything looks good and you're ready to send your copied envelope, click Send in the bottom right corner. Your envelope will be dispatched to the recipients you've specified, and you've successfully copied and sent an envelope in DocuSign without having to recreate everything from scratch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.